Hello, everybody. It's me, Awista Anwar, and in today's lesson, we'll be doing the activities of unit number 8 Saving Resources, grade 3 English language based on the One Nation, One curriculum. So, let's start. Oral communication, learning the sounds. Weak forms are syllable sounds that become unstressed in connected speech. Respond to weak forms of do and have. What do you want to do today? In this sentence, the first do is weak and the second is stressed. I have found my lost phone. Have is stressed. I found my lost phone. I've in the second sentence is weak. It is weak here because we have used contraction in this sentence. Speak two sentences using do and have in the weak form. Do you know who they are? Have you done your homework? Learning to speak. Divide the students into three equal groups, naming them as water, electricity, and paper environment resources. The groups prepare speech. You may take help from the given tips. Topic: if you change one thing in the world, what will you change? Sight words. Say and spell the given words. Warm, clean, grow, light. Warm, clean, grow, light. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.